TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of, well, what's going to be a very chilly Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 11 a.m. update, and we've got a sea of green out there. All the U.S. indices that we track, they're trading to the upside. Dow's up 330, S&P 42, 254 for the NASDAQ, 31 for the Russell, 208 for the transports, semis 252, NASDAQ Composite up 190, and the New York Stock Exchange up 138. We are at a new all-time high again today in the advanced decline oscillator. There is huge, gigantic, ginormous market breadth that is out there. Let's take a look at our 9-panel market update chart. We'll begin with the ES Mini, upper left-hand side. We did get a new profile that formed yesterday. It's got a buy zone between 69.26 and 69.54. Resistance up at the 70.22 level. There is an A to B equals CD pattern to the upside that would take us up to the 70.89 area. If price closes above the top of that daily profile, that's what will come to fruition. The spot VIX index is now trading below its 50-day exponential moving average. That provides buyers with an edge. The NASDAQ found support at the top of its daily profile, as well as a rising trend line. The same thing with the ES Mini, its rising trend line. And now price is going to go tackle its TD9 count top. It's back here somewhere clustered in the early December time frame out there. It's really two TD9 count tops for the NQ. The one at the all-time high back on the October the 30th out there. If we take a look at the U.S. dollar index, trading above the top of its new daily profile. That's at 98.08. You can see a descending trend line as well. We're trading above, well, we're really right at that. If we close above that descending trend line, the U.S. dollar index will negate its TD9 count top and continue to move higher. Goldilocks is trading above the top of its daily profile at 45.21. We'll see when we take a look at gold. It also just simply pulled back to test and reject that green oscillator and change line. I believe same or similar conditions with regard to silver. Silver remains above the top of its profile. Again, both of these instruments, so are going to go ahead and confirm TD9 count tops today, so we'll definitely take a look at those from an intraday standpoint during the Trader's Edge show. If we take a light sweet crude, we have rolled over into the March contract out there. Price right now, there's a profile that's got support at 57.62. The top is at 61.55 out there. If we can continue to move above 61.55, we'll continue to move higher. Natural gas, it's just ugly as can be. Likely to continue to head lower out there. I've got no pattern per se for this thing to bottom. And finally, we take a look at the 30-year Treasury. It's actually forming an A to B. We'll see. Maybe not. I think the retracement was too shallow. The price is trading above the top of its profile. That was at 116.03. That says it's likely to rally further. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show. But if you have to start your Thursday, have a terrific one. Thanks for joining us. We'll look forward to speaking with you again soon. Take care now.